Good afternoon. This is Karl F. Rose, recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on January 1, 2019. And Happy New Year. I did something a little different. I'm not on the internet, I'm not on my computer, but so I'm starting off the new year doing something like this. We're going to do a video, cooking video. I'm going to make some lasagna my way, not by the instructions on here, just how I do it. I've done it before and it turns out pretty good. Some of you might say yuck, but whatever. But we're just going to go through this, and if you like these kind of videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button that I have in the links in the description below. I have the end cards, I have the screens, I have my affiliate links on there. I got to put that in there. I need to put in my disclaimer that I get a commission from any of the, anything you buy from my affiliate links. So yeah, so let's get on with it, and I'm gonna do this in sections here. I'll show you the prep, then I'll show you when it comes out of the oven, and that sort of thing. So let's get on it with lasagna. It's spinach lasagna. Anyway, well, okay. What we have here, we have the ingredients: the cheese, not the Pop-Tarts, the cheese, the avocado oil spray that I spray this avocado spray that I spray that pan there with. And then we got spaghetti sauce, and we got the cooked noodles that I have here. These are cooked. These are you don't need to boil these cooked. You don't need to boil these. They're pre-cooked, so all you have to do is bake it for 30 minutes. So it cuts the boiling times of the noodles or preparation down, so you don't have to worry about boiling the noodles. Make this perfect. Okay, you can see, and okay, and then I'll put my first layer of spinach on top of the cheese, and then I will have another layer, and then I'll repeat the process. After I put the spinach on, I'll put more noodles on top, and I'll turn the video off. Okay, for a few seconds. Okay, here we go. There we go. I got the first layer there. The spaghetti sauce, the noodles, the cheese. Now I'm going to put the spinach. Scoop out some spinach, layer the spinach, and then I'll repeat the process. Okay, let me do this here. Just kind of sprinkle some spinach in here. Okay, this is the first layer. I usually have about 3 layers of this. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, there we have the first layer. I'm going to do another 2 more layers, and then I'll show you what it looks like before I put it in the oven. Okay, so we're done with here. So we're going to stop this one now, and I'll show you what the completed thing looks like before I put it in the oven. Okay, it's Karl F. Rose again from Bedford, Pennsylvania. This layering and process took about 10 minutes between the end of when I was first describing it. Here's the finished product before going into the oven. All I got to do is cover it with foil, bake it for 30 minutes, and then we'll come back again and I will show you what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. I'll talk to you in about 30 minutes. Okay, this is Karl F. Rose from Bedford, Pennsylvania again. New Year's Day, January 1, 2019, and this is the finished product. 30 minutes baking, then remove the foil, then baked it additional 10 minutes, and that's it. Done. Now I'm ready to go get something to eat. Well, that's it.